Hello little chefs! Today, we're going to learn some fun cooking words that grown-ups use in the kitchen. Do you know what it means to grill, fry, or boil? Don't worry, you will soon. Get your chef hat ready, use your imagination, and let's start cooking with words together.
Ready, go!
Boil. B-O-I-L. Boil. To boil means to heat a liquid until it makes big bubbles. I boil the water to cook the egg. Pour. P-O-U-R, pour. To pour means to let a liquid flow from one container to another. I pour the juice slowly so it doesn't spill. Slice. S-L-I-C-E, slice. To slice means to cut something into thin pieces. I slice the cucumber into small pieces to eat. Bake. B-A-K-E, bake. To bake means to cook food in an oven using dry heat. I bake cookies in the oven. Grill. G-R-I-L-L, grill. To grill means to cook food above strong, direct heat. I grill the chicken on the hot grill. Fry. F-R-Y, fry. To fry means to cook food in hot oil. I fried the nuggets in the deep fryer. Peel. P-E-E-L, peel. To peel means to remove the outer skin of fruits or vegetables. I peel the potato before I cook it. Simmer. S-I-M-M-E-R, simmer. To simmer means to cook food slowly in hot water just below boiling. I let the soup simmer for a few minutes. Mix. M-I-X, mix. To mix means to stir or combine ingredients together. I mix the flour and eggs together. Chop. C-H-O-P, chop. To chop means to cut food into small pieces. I chop the carrots into small pieces. Knead. K-N-E-A-D, knead. To knead means to press, fold, and stretch dough to make it smooth. I knead the dough until it is smooth. Toast. T-O-A-S-T, toast. To toast means to brown food using dry heat, often in a toaster. I toast the bread until it turns golden brown. Blend. B-L-E-N-D, blend. To blend means to mix foods together quickly using a blender until they become smooth. We blend the fruits to make a smooth and tasty juice. Steam. S-T-E-A-M, steam. To steam means to cook food using hot steam from boiling water. We steam the buns to make them warm, soft, and delicious. Roast. R-O-A-S-T, roast. To roast means to cook food in an oven until it becomes brown and tasty. We roast the chicken in the oven until it becomes golden and crispy. Drain. D-R-A-I-N. Drain. To drain means to remove the water from food after cooking. We drain the pasta to let the water go away. Weigh. W-E-I-G-H weigh. Weigh means to find out how heavy or light something is. I weigh the apple to see if it is heavy or light. Measure. M-E-A-S-U-R-E measure. Measure means to find out how much or how long something is. I measure the milk using a measurement cup. Squeeze. S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E. Squeeze. Squeeze means to press something hard with your hands. I squeeze the lemon to get the juice. Grate. G-R-A-T-E. Grate. Grate means to rub food on a grater to make small pieces. I grate the cheese to make little pieces and put it on the pizza. Break. B-R-E-A-K. Break. Break means to make something come apart into pieces. I break the egg with my hand. Great job, little chefs! Today you learned new cooking words like fry, boil, bake, and steam. These words help us talk about how food is prepared and cooked. Remember, cooking is fun, but we must always be safe and cook with adults. Thank you for learning with us today. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Moonlit Meadows Tales. See you next time. Bye bye, little chefs.